When Your Heart is Full of Pain by Maxine Whitfield. When your heart is full of pain, when you feel you don't want to begin again, the simple reason is your thoughts have been in fear. You have attached negative energy to yourself. Is this clear? By being in love of self, putting yourself first, releasing the disguise where pain and misery lie. Reconnect to love. Pleasant thoughts is what you need to think of, 'cause all that drama and pain only keep you insane. An illusion you created in your mind to keep you behind. Take a stand, breathe love into your soul, put yourself in the present moment, be bold. Cry it out, release it now. Remember, love is real. Surround yourself in a pink wheel. Spin it through your heart. Be ready to make a new start. Then miracles happen quickly. Remember who you are. You are love. You are a star. I am all that I am, and all that I am is love. To attract love, be love, breathe love, spread love.